Now today we are going to talk about management information systems, which is very important. Why? Because everything is managed on the information in today's competitive age. Information is a part through which a manager actually takes an effective decision. So let's start with data. Now data means it's the raw facts such as the number of customers. Information is extracted from the data. Data arranged in a meaningful fashion and which leads to important quality information, timeliness, completeness, relevance makes a data as an information. Now if I am going to talk about information quality, it measures information accuracy and reliability. And if I talk about timeliness, information is needed when managerial action is taken. Real-time information reflects the current condition. And when the information will be complete, when manager has the information to act upon. And the relevance should be in such a manner that it should match the manager's specific needs at hand. So by this we can easily understand that the management information system is a very important weapon for manager to manage a company, and especially for administrators to do the policy decision making. Now there are many information attributes. So these attributes will be high quality, useful information, it should be timely, it should be relevant, and it should be relatively complete. Because in any case, if something is wrong or incomplete, then it will lead to a wrong decision making and to a wrong action taking on a particular instance or about a particular thing which we are developing or about a particular process. Now information system basically requires wherein we acquire the information, we organize it, we store, we manipulate, and we transmit the information. A management information system is the plan and design of an information system to provide managers with information. It can be both the ways. Either it can be computer based or it can be paper based. Information technology is the means for acquiring, organizing, storing, manipulating, and transmitting information. It also leads to the information technology power. Information and decisions are very important because managing has to do with making decisions, and effective decisions can be only made when management information systems are really appropriately loaded with information. Accurate information, complete information, relevant information. So good information allows effective decision making. Now, how we are going to use the information, that is very important, and of course the controlling part. So, effective control requires good information. Information technology is the form of computers which allows managers quick access to information in order to take an effective decision. And managers must coordinate departmental actions to achieve goals. Now, information technology began with early computers. Computers are called hardware and use digital ones and zeros to represent data. Modern computers are microprocessors such as the Pentium to access information. Computer cost has dropped dramatically while the power of computers has risen. Computer costs less and do more than ever before. Connecting one computer to another is also much easier and cheaper. Now we can easily do the comparison how exactly the price performance has happened from the beginning till now. And wireless communication actually connects managers and computers together without wires. It can be cellular technology, can be wireless modems, and networks means is to share information between the computers. Server computer, which is a very powerful computer that relays information to client computers. Server and other computers are connected on local area network or LAN, which we say as in short form. Mainframe means large computers processing vast amounts of information, and internet is a major source towards management information system because it provides a worldwide network of computers. Now if I talk about, it's like a 3-tier information system process wherein laptop is linked with wireless link, and then it goes to server, then the service is connected to the mainframe hub, and then from mainframe how it goes to server, then it leads to the clients. So this is the way the thing actually works. Management information system is a tool or a platform through which a company gets proper access to all sort of information which is required in their strategy making, in their decision making, and of course it leads to effective increase in the market share. Now software developments which are required basically for management information systems are operating system software. It tells the computer how to run itself. Then application software provides for functions such as word processing, spreadsheets and graphics. Then comes artificial intelligence, behavior by a machine that can be called intelligent. Now computers generally what they do is that they evaluate problems and act on the simple tasks. Then speech recognition is very important thing. Why? Because it allows a computer to hear and act upon spoken commands, which leads to powerful programs which are still being developed. Now if I talk about different type of information systems, so firstly I will focus upon transaction processing systems, which are known as TPS. It is designed to handle large volumes of routine transactions. The first computer based information system, and examples can be billing, payroll, supply payments, etc. Then another one is operations information system. It actually helps the manager with non-routine decisions such as customer service and productivity. It collects the comprehensive data, organizes it and summarizes it in a form which is very much of value and effective for a manager. Then another one is decision support systems. Short form or the acronym is DSS. It generally provides interactive models to help managers to take effective decisions. It analyzes investment potential, new product pricing, etc. Then comes executive support system, which is also known as ESS. It is very sophisticated version of DSS, that is decision support system, to match top level managers' needs. Then comes expert systems. It employs human knowledge captured in computer to solve problems usually requiring human insight by using artificial intelligence. So likewise these all systems are very important. Why? Because it leads to an effective decision making, which always makes a very big difference in market, to come up with a competitive advantage, to increase the market share. Now information systems major impacts we are going to discuss about. It has also provided managers with better information, enabling again the same thing wherein they can have competitive advantage. Computer based information systems are associated with decentralization of managerial decision making. Managers control and coordinate using the system, not the workers. Then likewise horizontal information flows through the network. It allows information to flow horizontally between the departments. They can have a proper interaction, they can have their own inputs, and accordingly, keeping everybody's point of view and understanding the pros and cons, effective decision can be made on the organization's end. Virtual products. Firms can use their information system to custom tailor goods and services to each customer, with reducing actually the cost. Then there are barriers to information systems. So what are those barriers we have to really focus upon? Technological factors can be barriers. Consistent standards for systems do not exist actually. Then resistance by individuals. Many managers do not use the system fully. Some managers are afraid of technology and do not understand it at all, and they don't try even to understand it. Then of course political resistance also comes into play. The information system changes the way information flows in the firm. Then loss of human element. Information systems cannot present all kinds of information accordingly and accurately, because it's not exactly a human intelligence, it's an artificial intelligence. Then difficult installations can cause the information system development as an hurdle of the development of information system. So these many points are very important to understand management information system. Thank you very much.